here from Mom and Kid Style, and today's video is another product review that I'm going to share with you all. And I'm so excited to do this video because today also we're going to announce a giveaway. And this is a collaboration with the Homever. So if you are interested with amazing products for your home and for the babies, you could check them out. Their store on the Amazon, and I'm going to put the link in my description box later on. They have all the amazing product that you could find. This is the product that I'm talking about. This is from the Homever. This is a garment steamer. So there's a two convenient way to use this item. So you could use it as a normal iron like this, as you could see. The good thing about this is even you leave it for how many minutes, you know, on your garment. Let's say for example, you get busy and you forgot the iron on your garment, you know, it's not gonna make any damage onto your clothes. So that's very awesome to know, because as a busy parent, you know, like me, that's why I don't like to do an ironing, because I might forget and I might damage the clothes. But this one here, even though you leave it for how many minutes, you know, it's not gonna do any damage onto your garment. And another easy way to use this when you're in a hurry is so you hang your clothes onto a velvet hanger and then you steam it, and it's so fast and it makes a great job. And later I'm going to show you all how to do that. And I'm so happy to announce with you all that they wanted to sponsor a giveaway, and I'm going to pick a one winner by the end of this month. So I'm going to announce it on June 30th. So all you need to do is to like this video and comment down below, and you must be a subscriber. So that's all you need to do. So now we're already filled this one with the water. So we're just going to close it and then put it back in here. So we're just going to plug this one and be ready to use this. So now I'm going to show you all how I properly steam my item using this product from the Homever. So as you can see now, the blue indicator is already on. So what I'm going to do, I will just going to press the trigger for the steam, making sure that it's properly working. And I also recommend to use a velvet hanger like this, so that way it saves you all some time every time you're doing your steam. So you always wanted to do like starting here from 6 inches. Having a garment steamer is always a must-have, especially if you have an online store or a boutique. This is an always effective method to always please the customer. So if you have an order, so you're not just going to ship it like this, wrinkle like that. You always wanted to present the item to them in a proper condition. So as you can see here, a big difference every time we're going to steam the item, not only for the buyer but also for yourself. You know, if you're in a hurry and you have no time to, you know, open up your big ironing board and do your ironing, you know, you could always use a small steamer like this. It's very handy and it's not that heavy. And yeah, and that's it for today, guys, and I hope you like this video. And for that, we're going to do a giveaway that's sponsored for us from the Homever. So all you need to do is be a subscriber by clicking the red subscribe button down below and like this video and comment down below. So that's all you need to do. And if you want more entry, all you have to do is to follow us on Instagram and look for this post and comment down below. And that's all. To announce the winner on June 30th, and that's it. That's all you have to do, guys. Hope you like this video and give you all some idea. And if you wanted to try this product, follow the link in my description box and use my 20% off discount for this item. And that's it for today, guys, and I hope you like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye!